Hello friends, hope you are all fine and doing well. In my today's this video I will show you how you can solve the headphone jack problem in your Vivo Y20, Y20i and Y20t. If you are having any issue with your headphone jack in all these three phones, you can solve it by the way I am telling. So let's subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. So before starting the video, just follow each and every step as I am showing so you can solve your issue. Let's watch.